Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the wig on a stand so you can work hands-free. This prevents shifting while you clip. Once done, brush small sections and create a clear part where the claw will anchor. Clean parts hold better. Pick a clip slightly smaller than the gathered hair so it grips without pulling at the cap, and position your fingers under the section to feel the wig cap while you lift. This reduces accidental slippage or snagging. You now form the core anchor. Gather a top section about 1/2 to 2/3 wide and make sure you're not yanking on the lace front. Then slide your fingers beneath the hair into the cap to lift the weft slightly. This exposes the stitch line so the claw can catch fabric instead of just surface strands. Close the clip with a confident snap so the claws grip the wefts and distribute tension, which keeps the style secure and protects the cap. To finish, you conceal any stray strands by tucking them under the clip and smoothing the visible hair. This creates a polished silhouette. Once done, gently shake your head to test the hold, make small adjustments, reclamp weak areas, or secure with 1-2 bobby pins if needed. If the cap peeks through, reposition the clip slightly deeper toward the wefts or add small silicone grip pads to increase friction. This preserves the wig and keeps the style intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.